WordPress.com now has a very helpful AI assistant which lets you improve your websites. So in this short video, I'm going to show you how to turn the AI assistant on and also some of the great ways you can start using it today. First up, we're going to make sure the AI assistant is turned on. So go to a site, click on the three dots and then go to settings. And then you'll see in the settings here, there's AI tools, brackets, early access. Just make sure that's enabled. To access the AI assistant when you're editing your site, click on the little icon in the bottom right. You see the sidebar will open up with some common things that you might want to do, or you can just type in the prompt. In this case, I'm changing the fonts on my site, and you can see I'm just clicking between the fonts and the preview on the left changes. You can also change the layout of the page. I'm just typing here, change the layout of the page, and it'll come back with some options, and then I can just toggle through and choose the one I want. And likewise, I can also change the layout of the header just using the AI assistant. So again, I've just typed change the layout of the header, and it's going to give me some choices, and I can simply toggle through them until I find the one that I like. And I can do exactly the same thing on the footer as well. So again, I'm just typing change the footer layout. And again, it's going to give me some different design options, and I'm just going to toggle through and choose a footer without having to touch any code whatsoever. You can also use the AI assistant to improve your writing. Just click on the little icon in the bottom right of your screen and type your prompt. I'm saying improve the intro, and after a few seconds, the AI will go off and do its magic and come back with a brand new introduction to my post. One of the new features that came in WordPress 6.9 was the ability to add notes to your content. You can see how I'm adding a note, but now you can actually call the AI assistant when you're adding your note. So just use the @ AI, and I'm asking it to improve the intro, and it's going to add the note, but it's not just going to add the note, it's actually going to talk to AI, and the AI is going to come back with some improvements for me. The other place that you'll find the AI assistant is in the media library. There's a button at the top that says generate image. That'll take you to this screen, and you can type in the image that you want. Then you can choose the aspect ratio, and you can also choose the style. So I'm choosing 16:9, and it's photographic, and the AI will then trundle away and come back, hopefully, with a beautiful image for me. And then you can further customize that by annotating on top of it. So in this case, I actually want a little cat sleeping on one of my yoga mats. So I'm actually just going to roughly draw an arrow where I want the cat to go. I'm not being very precise. And then in the prompt, I'm going to say add a cat. And then in a few seconds, I should have, there we go, there's my little cat sleeping on my mat. Thank you so much for watching. We really hope you find the AI assistant useful and it helps you build better websites.